Dreaming of your next adventure but need a little breathing room for payments? Here's how to use Klarna to book your next Airbnb stay and make that trip a reality, stress-free. First things first, head over to Airbnb or open the Airbnb app just like you normally would. Search for your desired destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests. Browse through the available listings and find that perfect place that calls to you once you've found it. Go ahead and select your chosen accommodation to view its details. When you're ready to secure your booking, you'll proceed to the checkout page. This is where the magic happens. On the payment section of the Airbnb checkout page, you'll see various payment methods. Look for the Klarna option if it's available in your region, and for your specific booking, you'll see it listed as a choice. Simply select Klarna as your payment method. You'll then be prompted to log into your existing Klarna account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Once you've confirmed your details with Klarna, you'll be presented with their flexible payment options. €1 typically, you can choose to pay in a few installments. This means you can spread the total cost of your Airbnb stay over time, making it much more manageable. This allows you to enjoy your trip now and pay for it gradually, fitting travel comfortably into your budget. It's a fantastic way to make those dream getaways more accessible without the upfront financial strain. So there you have it. A simple and convenient way to book your next Airbnb adventure using Klarna's Buy Now, Pay Later service. Happy travels!